Hey there, savvy entrepreneurs and creative minds. Are you looking to truly stand out in the competitive world of print on demand? At PODpartner, we understand the importance of delivering unique experiences that truly resonate with your customers while maintaining your brand integrity. That's why we're thrilled to introduce our new customization feature. This feature respects your original creative vision while allowing your customers to add their personal touch to your amazing designs directly within your Shopify store. Your customized product orders will automatically sync to PODpartner, enabling more efficient and convenient order processing. Ready to see how easy it is to set up and sell customizable products with PODpartner? Let's dive into the simple, step-by-step process. Step 1. Select your product. First things first, every single product in the PODpartner catalog supports customer customization. Whether you're choosing a new product or editing an existing template, the power of customization is at your fingertips, while your core brand design remains protected and prominent. Pick any product that would benefit from that personal touch your customers crave. Click Start Designing to dive into the design process. Step 2. Design your custom product. Now for the creative part. In the Design Creator interface, navigate to the DTG Printing tab at the top of your screen. Select the specific area where you want to add a custom layer. This is where your customers will add their personal flair without compromising your original design integrity. You can add both images and text. Each product template can have up to 3 custom layers. Take a moment to confirm all your settings carefully, like font size, style, position, and image maximum size, as customers won't be able to modify these. Also consider how your default design will look across different clothing colors. A quick note here, these custom layers are optional for your customers. They can choose to customize or stick with your default design. Once your design is in place, simply click the Activate Customization button in the right sidebar. This converts your design into a customizable layer that customers can personalize. In the pop-up, click Activate Customization again, then name your custom layer and save it. Step 3. Publish to your Shopify store. Click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the Design Creator interface. A preview pop-up of your product template will then appear. From there, you'll be ready to get your product onto your storefront. Just click the Add to Store button and select your Shopify store. If you haven't connected it yet, no worries. You'll just need to install PODpartner in the Shopify App Store first. After setting up your variants, images, descriptions, and pricing, you're all set to publish the product directly to your Shopify store. Step 4. Configure your store display. Once your product syncs to Shopify, you'll be automatically redirected to the custom settings page. Here, you have the flexibility to refine the customer experience. You can edit our provided templates or create your own to describe the customization service, guiding your customers through the design process with clear, helpful instructions. You'll also be able to preview the general effect of your settings with the image on the right. This ensures a seamless and on-brand experience, and you can set up different templates for various customizable products based on their specific needs. If this is your first time adding a PODpartner customizable product to your store, you'll also need to set up the customization options in Shopify to perfectly match your store's theme. This is a one-time setup. Once configured, it will apply to all your customizable products. Go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Store and click the Customize button within your Themes section. This will take you directly to your theme editor. Next, find the product template you just synced in your store's product list and click to edit its product details page. On the product details page, click Plus Add section, where you'd like to place the customization field. Under Apps, find and click PODpartner Customizer to add it. You can then adjust the title style, button style, and layout settings in the sidebar to seamlessly blend with your store's aesthetic, ensuring the customization feature feels like a natural extension of your brand rather than an add-on. You can also choose an icon that matches your store's style. We offer 10 icons for you to pick from. Once you've finished these display settings, you can open the pop-up window. This is exactly what your customers will see. They can upload their favorite images, whether it's a selfie, a pet photo, or an exclusive logo. After uploading, they can adjust the position and size of this element to their liking. After you've completed all the settings, simply click the Save button in the top right corner of the interface to save your settings. Step 5. Automated Order Sync. When customers finish designing with the built-in customizer in your store and place their order, everything syncs automatically to PODpartner. You can then view these orders marked with customization in the Orders section of your dashboard. You can preview each customer's unique design when processing orders, seeing how your brand foundation has been enhanced with their personal touch, and even make edits if needed. Once payment is confirmed, the custom product immediately enters production. That's it. You're now fully equipped to offer an amazing customization experience to your customers. With PODpartner's customization feature, you're not just selling products, you're selling unique experiences that honor your creative vision while building stronger, more personal connections with your customers. Your brand remains the star of the show, enhanced by each customer's individual story. Start offering customization today. Zero setup costs, maximum sales potential. Transform your POD business with PODpartner's customization feature.